Yeah, 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 yeah. And Jaja bless I am Siki Paramba, ALPHA-JIVE DJ music presents. Yeah man, this I and I a song of freedom, positive vibration and self-consciousness for political and economical revolution and progress. And Jaja bless you all, Papua New Guinea. Let's I and I celebrate our 50 years of political independence and economical dependence. I and I born on the 16th September 1975 under Australian colonial rule. Out of a place of golden beaches, exotic tropical rainforest and misty blue mountains, land of milk and honey, vested gemstones and precious mineral deposits, floating on crude oil, puffing out natural gas. Blessed are I and I by the Most High, Jaja Rastafari. Yakalai, Papua New Guinea, the land of the unexpected, where the expected is unexpected. Nestled in the high seas of the Southwest Pacific, I and I is Papua New Guinea. Seas are rough, tidal waves of political corruption and economical iniquity riddled I and I. Years have passed I and I, you're mine, and I is 50 years old since I birthed and is still rocking on. Yeah, I am on Jaja, the Most High, Lord Almighty, give I and I the strength and courage to move on and rise up higher for the better. From high up in the blue misty mountains to the green endless plains, to the golden sandy coastal beaches, out to the tropical treasure islands I and I call a Papua New Guinea. Different tribes, different cultures, different custom and different languages, yet I and I